To install YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Next, navigate to the Smart Hub on your TV by pressing the Smart Hub button on your remote control. From the Smart Hub, select the Apps option. In the Apps section, you will find the App Store where you can search for and download various applications. Click on the search icon and type in YouTube TV. Once you have located the YouTube TV app, select it and click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. After the installation is complete, launch the YouTube TV app by selecting it from the Apps section. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once you have signed in, you can begin exploring the various features and channels offered by YouTube TV. To activate your YouTube TV subscription on your Samsung Smart TV, you may need to enter a code provided by YouTube TV. This code can be found in the YouTube TV app on your TV or on the YouTube TV website. Enter the code on the YouTube TV website to complete the activation process. Once your YouTube TV subscription is activated, you can access a wide range of live and on-demand content, including sports, news, and entertainment channels. You can also use the YouTube TV app to record your favorite shows and access them later through the Cloud DVR feature. To get the most out of your YouTube TV subscription, take some time to explore the various settings and options available in the app. You can customize your channel lineup, set up parental controls, and adjust the video quality to suit your preferences. By following these steps, you can easily install and set up YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV, giving you access to a wide range of entertainment options and features.